Hey, look, I'm over here. Hey guys, welcome. This week we are taking these disgusting old windows and turning them into something much more beautiful. If you can't tell, these things are pretty rough. Whoever owned the motorhome before us painted these with like house paint, and it's like tacky, and you see the lines, and it's in bad shape. And not to mention, there's a ton of leaks. So we're gonna rehab these windows and make them brand new. No, not by buying new ones. We're gonna do it ourselves. Woohoo! Okay, one of the first steps that we're gonna do is going to be removing this paint, and we're gonna be trying this out. It's a wire wheel for the grinder here. On our first couple of windows that we actually did many months ago, that turned out great. We used steel wool, we used orange oil, and a combination of things.
Acetone.
Yeah, acetone. It turned out great.
But it took forever.
And we want to speed this up.
Wish us luck. Hopefully we don't ruin things. I'm going to let Joe do it so I don't feel bad.
Oh boy. Pressure's on. Oh, by the way, I was about to put these on, and there's a bunch of the little earwigs, the pincher bugs, inside. That's why they call them earwigs, right?
Yeah.
Hiding in the earmuffs. Gee, many crickets. Anyways, I cleaned them up, so. But if you see me panic, it means one got probably in my ear. Yeah. All right, watch your ears.
The wire wheel worked better than expected. We got all the paint off on every window in less than an hour. Pro tip, wear long sleeves, unless you want metal stuck on your arms. Next, we removed the last of the beetle tape, and we were on to prepping the windows for paint. One thing to note, this is where you want to take your time. The last thing we wanted to happen is to get paint on the glass.
Oh, Lord.
Well, we're on to paint. Well, at least for the first window. We want to make sure we get everything right and don't make any mistakes before we do the 5 other ones. Hello? Ow! Okay,
Let's go.
If you can't already tell, we are not professionals, but we truly believe anyone can do this, if you follow the instructions.
We really thought we would be full-time on the road by now, or at least part-time on the road by now, and we're not. And so to any of you out there who are trying to do similar things, maybe at the beginning of the journey, don't give up, because we're not giving up, and there is light at the end of the tunnel, we think. And yeah, thanks for being here, and let's all be friends.
Now that we completed one of the windows successfully, we felt confident moving on to the other 5 windows remaining.
Good girl. Good girl. Bailey, what are you doing? She loves lizard hunting. All right, back to the windows.
Our paint of choice is Rust-Oleum Professional Series, available pretty much at every hardware store. This portion of the video is sponsored by PetLab Co. We're so thrilled to introduce PetLab Co's probiotic chews for dogs. If you know us, you know that our dogs, Bayleaf and Honey, are family. And just like we prioritize our own gut health, we are committed to ensuring our dogs thrive too. We've noticed them itching and paw licking and chewing, so we are excited to find a product that could address their discomfort. What really made us feel at peace with these probiotic chews is knowing that they're reviewed by veterinarians, and they have amazing ingredients like pumpkin, bacillus coagulans, inulin, and honey. From bees, not our dog honey. Plus, they have thousands of positive reviews from other people who prioritize their pets. These probiotic chews come in a convenient 30-chew supply, and no joke, our dogs are obsessed with the flavor. We can't wait to see some of the amazing possible benefits, such as less chewing, less paw licking, better digestion, healthy stool, healthy skin and coat. And a big one for us, support with seasonal allergies, which is especially needed because Bayleaf can't help but always run through the flowers and plants. If you're obsessed with your pups as much as we are, but you're also obsessed with ensuring the best for your pups, and have noticed similar signs like we have, give these chews a try. If you click our link in bio, not only will you be supporting this channel, but you can get up to 40% off your entire order. Now, back to the RV build.
Okay, it's day 2 for the window paint. It's day 2 for window paint. The first side is dried. The second side is prepped and ready. And we might even be able to then install them today.
If the help participates.
Yeah, these doggos definitely need the help. And yeah, I did get a haircut. Thanks for noticing. You guys ready? All right.
So, coming along with having to redo all the outside, we realized we could kind of make any changes we wanted, and we decided for lighting purposes and venting purposes, we wanted to add a window to the bathroom area. So we cut out this fancy hole, but then when we purchased this guy, we decided to go a little bigger than what we originally cut out for. So it almost fits. All the width is good. It's just like a hair too tall, so Joe needs to shave off a little bit, and then we'll have a new window. This will be window number 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna have 8 windows.
Wow.
I love windows.
That's a lot. I'm excited.
Yep. All right, Joe, get to work.
Shaving should be no problem. Look at this. This is shaved. Shave a little of this.
To shave away the window openings, we used our router and grinder, and tape measure, and straight edge, and pencil. Okay, I'll stop. Wow, look at all that dust. So glad that's not me.
As much as I don't want to kick this little precious angel off my lap, it might be time for Honey to go because the paint is officially dry, so we need to peel off the plastic, peel off the tape, and do a test fit. Right, Honey? Woohoo! Right, Bailey? Right, Bailey? Bailey!
Lizard hunting.
She's hurting the lizards, she's hurting the gophers, and she's hurting the mice.
Peeling off the plastic and the tape was so gratifying. It was the first reveal of the painted windows.
They're done. And now it's time to test fit and make sure they all slide right in their little holes.
It has been an incredible journey to get to this point. So many mistakes and moments where we truly thought this would never be on the road again. With each window we test fitted, we got more and more excited as we knew we were closer to being sealed up and it just might look finished from the outside.
I can't just say goodbye, 'cause I'll see you, see you, see you, see you, see you, see you.
We want to take a moment and we want to thank everyone. And this includes you. Yes, you. Thank you so much for supporting us on this build, on this channel. Thank you for encouraging us with our whole sourdough journey. For those who reached out about sourdough lessons, we are going to be mailing out our sourdough starter, Sour Joe, this week. And next time, we are all going to dive into creating bread together. If anyone else wants to still join, there's still time. Make sure you comment below Sour Joe. And if you want some free sourdough starter, make sure to follow us on Instagram and DM us. And we'll set up a thing to make sure we mail you some sourdough starter so you can have your very own Sour Joe.
Renovating an RV is not easy. Honestly, it's pretty stressful, so you just gotta suck it up and really just go for it. Ow. My teeth. That was really crunchy.
After giving in to some bad habits, aka candy cigarettes, it was time to add our seam tape to every window. We recently purchased a new oven and realized it would not fit inside the door, so we had to place it inside along with the fridge before any of the windows were installed, or at least this biggest one, because otherwise we were going to be in serious trouble. This was it, window installation time. We were nervous, excited, and just hoping we didn't miss any critical steps. That rear window was a huge reason why we wanted this specific Toyota Motorhome. For those who may not know, our model is a rear dinette, so we get to enjoy spectacular views while we lounge in that back area. These two vents are for the refrigerator, and we were told we need to have them, so that's why they're there.
Oh, no window yet. We're getting there. Thanks for staying with us. Hope you have a great week.